Good day everyone. Today we'll talk about how to apply for the Canadian work permit. We're going to talk about the process, we're going to talk about who can apply, how to apply, and after you apply, we're going to talk about the types of work permits, the fees, and the processing times. And before diving into it, I wanted to share with you this walk-in video from Toronto City, Ontario, Canada, was filmed by one of our team members here in Toronto. And now let's get started and break down the process step by step. We have two types of work permits in Canada. The first one, specific work permit, and the other one, open work permit. We're going to talk about the specific one and then move to the other one. So if you have a specific work permit, you should work for one employer only. But if you have an open work permit, you can work for any number of employers and in various locations. And who can apply for an open work permit? If you are an international student who has graduated from Designated Educational Institution, DLI, then you will be eligible for the post-graduation work permit. If you were the spouse or common law partner of a skilled worker or international student as well, that's a second option. The third option, if you were a young worker participating in the working holiday program as well. And still out there other options, it depends on your status if you were in Canada or outside. And when it comes to the fees, you have to pay $155, while processing times varies by country. So if you were applying from Bangladesh, you need to wait at least 3 to 4 months. If you were applying from India, you need to wait at least 160 days. From Pakistan, at least 200 days. I know it's still a bit confusing when you want to apply for a job in Canada or you're applying from overseas. It's pretty complicated, it's time consuming, and it takes a lot of efforts to get a job interview from overseas. That's the reason why we're going to try to make it easier and try to support you as much as possible. And I just want to take the chance to apologize if we are late to reply your emails or your messages on WhatsApp, but we have many messages and we are providing consultations for free. We hope that you understand. We're going to get back to you as soon as possible. Sometimes it takes more than 3 days, so we're going to make it as quick as possible. But if you were in a hurry and you want us to guide you and support your application and try to help you out, you go to our official website to plans, where you can find memberships. You can sign up for one of them like the Fresh, the Browns, the Silver or Gold, or even Diamond, which includes job opportunities. We're going to help you to find job opportunities and contact with those trusted Canadian companies who issued work permits in the past for foreign workers. We're not saying this is guaranteed and 100% process, but we're going to help you to contact something trusted at least instead of the random search online. You can send them your resume, your Canadian resume, and see if they are hiring. If they were hiring, at least they know the process and how to deal with a foreign worker. And now how to find job opportunities. First and foremost, you can try LinkedIn. You need a professional profile there. Upload your resume on desktop in a Canadian way, and then you can share it with those potential employers. The second thing, you can try Indeed. The third, you can try Monster. The fourth, you can try Glassdoor. And of course, ZipRecruiter, which is the best in my opinion. If you're still struggling after submitting many applications or many resumes, you can reach out to us. We can try to support you as much as possible. Many people have no clue that there are many ineligible employers in Canada. So once you get a job opportunity from them, a contract or an agreement, and you submit it along with your documents to the embassy, then probably you might get rejected. Probably they have fine to pay, or probably they did not obey the law for some reasons. So you gotta be careful first and double check before signing any contract and making sure that this employer is eligible to hire foreign workers. And we're gonna leave in the description box and the first comment as well all those websites that we talked about. If you still have more questions, you can send us an email or visit our official website www.northleafcanada.ca. No worries, we can provide free consultations. We wish you luck and we'll try to support as much as possible. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.